A BMW drivetrain malfunction indicates a problem within the system responsible for transferring power from the engine to the wheels. This affects the vehicle's ability to move properly and requires immediate attention. The BMW drivetrain system consists of several interconnected components. These include the engine management system, transmission control unit, transfer case for all-wheel drive models, differential systems, drive shafts with CV joints, and various electronic control modules that coordinate the entire system. Drivetrain malfunctions have several common causes. Fuel system issues account for 35% of cases, including contaminated fuel or faulty fuel pumps. Ignition problems make up 25%, such as worn spark plugs or carbon buildup. Transmission issues represent 20%, electronic malfunctions 15%, and mechanical wear accounts for the remaining 5%. Several warning signs indicate a potential drivetrain malfunction. These include dashboard warning lights, reduced engine power or limp mode activation, unusual vibrations during acceleration, rough idling or engine misfires, and irregular transmission shifting. Early recognition of these symptoms can prevent more serious damage. Recent developments have significantly improved BMW drivetrain diagnostics. Enhanced software updates from 2024 to 2025 address many common issues. AI-powered diagnostic tools provide more accurate fault identification. Over-the-air updates can resolve certain problems without dealership visits, and these improvements have reduced misdiagnosis rates by approximately 30%. When a drivetrain malfunction warning appears on your BMW, immediate action is crucial for safety and preventing further damage. The next step is proper diagnosis using a BMW-compatible OBD scanner to identify specific fault codes and determine the root cause of the malfunction. Prevention is key to avoiding drivetrain malfunctions. Regular maintenance following BMW service schedules can reduce malfunction incidents by 60% compared to delayed maintenance. A real-world example demonstrates effective troubleshooting. A 2019 BMW X3 with recurring drivetrain warnings was diagnosed with a faulty high-pressure fuel pump, resolved through a technical service bulletin and extended warranty coverage. Current trends show a 40% increase in software-related drivetrain issues. This emphasizes the importance of software updates before hardware replacement and the growing role of predictive diagnostics in modern BMW maintenance.